Hello YouTubers, this is my second video. I'm not sure how many people have seen ours, but alright, we have another unboxing and a collection of show you. My bad, I stuttered there for a second. No, shut up. Crap.
Do these knives over here.
Wait 1 second, my girlfriend just texted me. No, you're good. Okay. Okay, so we got an unboxing and a knife collection. We did the unboxing first last time on our airsoft video, but we can do the unboxing last, so let's just put this out of the way for right now.
Because as we go along, we're going to close the knives, okay?
Yeah, alright, let's speed this up. Okay. You may think this is a little gay knife collection, but it's just stuff that we've been collecting over the years. Just figured we'd make a video. Okay, so we got the knife. MX45. It's got where your knuckles can sit. Push the button down, it slides in like all the others. Yeah, nothing much. Just a nice knife. Can cut pretty good. Pretty dull though. Yeah, there's that knife. So nope, that's supposed to stay open. My bad.
Close it.
And here's the other knife. I think the bolt's missing right there. Crappy knife.
It's a really old
It's
knife.
a really, really old knife. It looks like. Where'd you get this?
My dad.
Huh. It looks like this.
Rusted.
It's a Browning. It's a Browning brand.
Nice grip on it too.
Yeah, it does. Dang, it is nice grip. A little
Pocket knife.
Yeah, got the little clip on it.
Okay, let's worry about that later.
Yep. Got the clip on it right there. This is a stainless steel knife with teeth in it. So press that down, close it. Yep. Oh God, that hurt. And then why do you?
There's a set.
Oh yeah, there's.
It's a set.
It's a set. So I guess these two go right there.
Survivaling too.
Yeah, we can show this.
Camping trip.
Yeah, this is just a.
Yeah, some toenail and fingernail clippers.
Yeah, just a fingernail clippers. You want me to clip your nails?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Just clip mine this morning,
Keep going.
actually. Alright, we got 3 knives right here. Actually, I think that's a can opener.
No, bottle, I think.
I don't know. Maybe. Nope, bottle. Yep, my bad.
We really
Knife,
don't know.
nothing much. Yeah, just
The
little,
snap it.
Yep.
Yep.
teleportation device. Pew! We got, oh my God.
I think, no.
Here we go.
There we go.
We got Tweezers right here, so just
Hold on, I
bang.
didn't get this.
Bang, Twizzlers.
Has tools on the sides.
Yeah, it's got knives, scissors, screwdrivers. Like I said, nothing much. Yeah, it's got a case for it. Just slip right in, close it, put it to the side. Alright, same thing here.
A little bit. Stainless steel, more.
Yeah, this is more stainless steel. I got a little glare off of it. Little tweezers. Close them up.
Box.
Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. The unboxing. This is the Scout 2. In other words, the Scout 2.
The mini machete.
No, wrong way, remember. We've already unboxed this. It's a mini machete, yeah. It says right here, 13 overall length survival knife with a black. Who cares about that? All you gotta say.
People do.
No.
Pause the video if you want to read this. Thank you.
Wait. Now pause the video if you want to read this.
No, because there's a glare in it. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, who cares? No one cares about the box. In other words, this is just a Rambo knife. It's got everything that you'd see at a flea market, but not from a flea market. Brand new.
Has the sharpening stone.
Sharpening stone right here, right in this little pouch. You can see right there. And then-
string. Clip it to yourself.
Yeah.
A belt
clip it
loop.
up. Yep. Belt loop right there. Just put it on. And then we got the. Oh my god, dude. How?
It's your fault.
Yep.
You put it too tight. Here, you want me to open it?
No, it's good. Alright, just. There it is. It's got teeth on the back. I already cut myself a little bit right there. And then. Looks like a regular knife. It says Frosty Cutlery Stainless Steel. And it was, of course, made in China. Yeah, so.
China makes good things.
No, it doesn't.
Taiwan makes better.
Yeah, that's all we had to
But
say.
U.S.
That's all we had to say from this video.
No offense to any of you on U.S.
That's all we have to say is with this video. We will have some more unboxing videos.
Get the here. Hold this.
You can't unlock it.
Just give me a minute.
Pretty hard, isn't it? Wait, why don't we just 1 second, YouTubers? Here, you know what? We got Twizzlers. We got Twizzlers. Tweezers, whatever. Thing that we just looked at.
Turn it.
Jesus. Oh, crap.
Other way.
Okay,
pick it up.
Okay, all we gotta do, you guys, all there is in there is just a compass and...
Compass is on it, and
Yeah.
then there's matches, string, and a hook for survival. So
Yep, be Rambo, just so... Okay,
that's it for this video. Hit
that
the
is
like
it.
button,
That is it for this video. Please hit the like button,
and we'll make more
leave
videos.
comments, subscribe, leave comments about what our next unboxing and collection could be. Yeah, so just
Tell 'em
thank you, YouTubers. Bye.